Purchasing process. General instructions to use the touch screen of the ticket vending machine. On the touch screen of the machine you can find the following information. In the upper line of the information section you can see the following icons: Help, Language Selection, and Basket. By clicking on Help button you will see some information on the screen that helps you with the purchasing process. By clicking on the flag icons in the language selection section you can change the language used on the screen. In the top right corner of the screen you can continuously see the selected tickets and passes to buy and the total amount to be paid. By clicking on the button you can reach Basket page, where you may receive information about the prices of tickets and passes you wish to buy, as well as you can start the payment process. In the middle of the screen you can find information and active surfaces related to the purchasing process. For example, list of tickets and passes to buy, or basket containing the selected products. The most popular products are available right on the start screen. For example, single tickets, monthly passes. On the right side of the screen you can find the function buttons below each other. These buttons and selection choices always appear according to the current process. In the lower part of the screen you can find the information zone. In the middle of the zone you can see in which part of the menu you are at the moment. This zone only shows information, it cannot be used for navigation. Current time and date can be seen on the right side of the zone. The ticket vending machine supports screen for the visually impaired as well. This function is available by clicking on the conventional yellow-black sign in the lower left corner. On the main screen of the machine you can find the icons of the most popular products, and by clicking on them you can quickly start the purchasing process. In case you could not find the ticket or pass you wish to buy, please click on All Products button where all the products can be seen. After selecting All Products button, you can see tickets and passes grouped. Entering groups of products you can find all the different tickets and passes. You can leave this menu item by clicking on Back button and get back to the previous screen. Tickets and passes can be added to basket by clicking on the buttons showing their names. You may require a VAT invoice of the purchase. To receive a printed VAT invoice you need to enter your registration code. A registration code may be claimed at the customer service of DKV Closed Corporation. To create an invoice you need to enter your registration code on the touch keyboard appearing on the screen. Without a registration code you cannot receive an invoice after the purchase. Customer data can be modified only at the customer service. In case the data are not correct after entering the registration code, the purchasing process can be continued but the customer cannot receive a posterior invoice of the purchased products. You may receive a VAT invoice of some passes only in case you are entitled to use the pass you wish to purchase. You may buy the pass without being entitled, but in that case the item will not be included in the invoice. When purchasing a pass where you need to enter an ID number, after clicking on the pass on the screen a touch keyboard appears. Here you should click on the proper keys of the necessary letter number combination, then you should confirm it as well. With most of the passes you can give the period of validity. The number and total value of the selected tickets or passes will immediately appear in the top right corner. By clicking on the basket icon you can see all selected tickets and passes. In each line of the basket page you can check the previously entered identification number and the validity of the selected passes. Some passes may be purchased combined, without identification. In that case, by clicking on the plus-minus signs in the product line you can change the amount you wish to buy. By clicking the red delete button on the right side of each line, you can easily delete the given product from the list. In the basket, under the list of tickets and passes you have selected to buy, a sum line shows the total amount to pay, as well as the number of products in the list. In case the list of products to purchase is longer than one page, you can turn over by clicking on the green right-left button. The purchasing process can be interrupted by clicking the abort button. You can abort either the whole transaction or only the payment process. In case the data are appropriate, you can launch the payment process by clicking the payment button. You can select which ticket or pass should be included in the invoice. The first step of the payment process is to select a payment method. You can pay cash or by bank card. In case of cash payments, the machine accepts coins and banknotes as well. In case of card payments, you can use most valid cards that are accepted in Hungary. When a banknote is accepted, the banknote dispenser panel lights green. At the end of purchase, the paid tickets and passes, the invoice, the receipt, as well as the change will be dispensed into the cash tray. Banknotes will be dispensed by the banknote dispenser.